Hey guys, what's up? It's Sam with liveincollegestation.com. I'm out here today at one of my listings. StreetText has asked me to give you guys a heads up about the webinar that we're going to be doing here in a couple of weeks. Mark that on your calendars. It's basically how I get into the StreetText thing and how I can get extra value just from the leads coming in. I'm going to go a little bit into what I do and how I do it. And the guys up there wanted me to share a hack with you all, so this is my hack for some free traffic. Make sure that you've got a solid Facebook page. If you want to look at mine, just type hashtag, and it's all one word, Live in College Station. But you've got this page, and StreetText are advertising on your behalf and sending traffic to their funnel. But you ever think, if you get that advert and jump in the back there and scroll down underneath to where it says share, you go ahead and make a list of every single local group, local buy-sell trade groups, local investor groups, local property management groups, any kind of group that may be interested in properties or in buying and selling and trading. And I've got about 24, 25 of them, and I've got them all in a spreadsheet. And basically I take that StreetText ad out of my back end and I post it to these groups manually, 2, 3, 4 groups every day. Just post them, so you're not oversaturating the market. But that way, those groups, they may have 5,000 members, 10,000, 50,000 members, just depending on the size of the group. One I posted here has got 52,000 members, and it's just extra traffic for that StreetText ad to make your budget go a little bit further. So that's my hack, one of them. If you want to know like what I do from end to end, the complete process, tune in, and we'll be doing a 1 hour long webinar with Q&A, and it'll just explain a little bit more about how this works. All right, I will see you then. Thank you very much.